Hello and welcome back to the channel. The winter storm is here. Kind of picks up and slows down as it wants to, but my feet are sinking in. And the heavily bamboo is covered. See that? The snow is beautiful. Yeah, snow is beautiful. And I suppose it's useful to some degree. But it's not one of my favorites, if you know what I mean. Not one of my favorites. But it is definitely lovely. Just as I suspected. It looks so nice with the heavenly bamboo. Beautiful white snow. When I say it's not one of my favorites, I don't want to sound like I'm complaining about snow at all, because it was one of our Creator's creations. And it is coming down. Much of the country is experiencing this right now. Much of the country. This is something I am used to. Spending the majority of my life in Michigan, I am certainly used to this. No stranger to snow at all. It's very calming when it's coming down. I think the toughest part is driving in it. That's the toughest part. If you don't have to drive in it, then it's not so bad. The idea of having to drive in it that makes it a little more difficult to deal with. Even walking in it. This is to the point where you can walk and not slip and slide. I think when it begins to melt a little and then it freezes back over, that's when it becomes a lot more difficult to walk in, because now you have a slip hazard. So even though this is kind of fluffy right now, I am still going to be very, very careful. Very, very careful. Right. I hear you over there singing, Sophia. My husband often says Sophia reminds him of Mama B, his mom, because she used to hum and sing all the time. And Sophia's always humming, always singing. When she's working, she's doing things, she's drawing, it doesn't matter what she's doing, she's humming and singing, and I think that's so sweet. She even looks like Mama B. Anyway, I am going to be heading in now. Yeah. The snow is beautiful, but it's also cold out here, y'all. It's down in the 20s. I don't have no gloves on, so I think I am going to be heading in now. Until next time, see y'all later, family.